So as you can see, we're in the water compartment. So there's a lot of things going on here. So I'm going to break it down into your water fill, your dump, your shower, and your winterization. So let's start with the water fill. Water fill, you have two different ways of filling your water. One is through your freshwater inlet, and secondly, through your supplied power reel hose that's located here on the bottom. Either way, you're either putting a hose into this supply or you're attaching the hose on the reel to the water supply. Either way, you'll fill up your tank. With the power hose, when you're ready to retract, here's the retract button. Simply press the button, feed the line back in until it's ready to stow, and you're all set. When you're filling, you want to make sure that you turn your valve into tank fill, and when you're done, bringing it back to normal. So this way, the water pump will work properly and supply your water inside. Let's move to the shower. The shower has many functions. One, obviously, to shower. Secondly, to either wash your pets, wash your hands, or clean anything that might have gotten dirty in your campsite. One of the things that we supply is a soap dispenser, conveniently right next to the water so you can wash your hands, as well as the paper towel dispenser behind me here so that you can dry. Moving on to the dump station, we have another inlet for the black water waste, flush inlet, our valves, and our outlet. So by taking off the outlet cover, you apply the hose, fasten properly, put it into your dump station hole. Always pull your black waste valve first and then your gray. Once you see the water pressure going down a little bit, add more water to back flush your black tank. Once everything's clean, you come back in, close your valves, put your cover on, and you're set. While we're here, I want to show you this control panel. The control panel has 4 functions. One, your service light for when it's dark and you're into this compartment, on and off. We have the water pump. So once you're filling and you're ready to use your shower, you can turn on your water pump right from this compartment, as well as the leveling jacks, whether to level or to store. One of the things when you're filling your water, a trick that many have is you fill until you see the siphon coming out from the bottom, and you'll see water spilling from underneath. That means your tank is full. Time to turn off your water supply and you're ready to go. There's other things that we have in here for winterization. As you can see, we have our winterized valve here, as well as our antifreeze hose. Simply insert your antifreeze hose into your antifreeze and start the winterization cycle, which we'll get into another segment. As well as if you need to empty your fresh water, you can open the valve that's located down here to open, and it'll flush your water. Other things that you'll find inside this compartment as well is your full coach filter, which with its tool you can replace its filter right here, and all the water would flush and keep the rest of the coach clean, as well as your recirculation pump, which is found right next to the dump valve, which recirculates for your optional heated floor.